we have a text or a call incoming. Okay, so someone's about to express something to you. Oh, shows us a shock. Okay, this is something that you thought was over. It's not. We have got a text message, a call, something coming in off that person. Okay, so it's showing boss daddy there. So, you know, whether it be male or female, this is somebody who you have put on a pedestal. But you may have thought it was over. They've got a big energy about them. I like the feel of this person, very kind of sexy, charismatic. So this person is somebody who you kind of have known for a period of time, and you may have had a casual situation going on with this person. Not that it can't lead to something else, but that's just maybe where it's been. And you've been doing a lot of daydreaming about this person, but for some reason you just thought it was done. You've been wasting your time and they're not coming back. Well, they are. Okay, so it shows here, make no mistake, this is not goodbye. Okay, so there's a renewal here, and you're going to feel on top of the world when this comes in. I think this person may have a kind of pattern of in and out, but I don't necessarily feel like you're unhappy with that. So if it is a situationship and you're content with that, then if you've not heard of them in a while, get ready, because you will be hearing from them. Bit of a twin flame energy. I mean, it can be a bit like that, a situationship, because it is on and off, but you still get drawn back together. Now, whether it's because of the physical or whether it's because of the emotional connection, it still comes back in. This person seems to be like they've stepped away from all kinds, or maybe taken a break. So maybe they've been away, or maybe they've been, you know, involved in other things that they needed to deal with. I don't necessarily see another person, but either way, they're coming back to you. Just shows they're about to take action towards you. So there's lots of flames on these cards in different ways, candles, fire and things, which show us that it's going to be quite fiery, passionate, romantic. I do feel like this person's quite a possessive type as well, so that can also be very attractive if it's in a healthy way. But yeah, warning there, pregnancy, so male or female, if you're not looking to have any kids, take precautions. But yeah, I feel like this is not expected at all, and when they come in, it's going to kind of be a shock to you, but a very pleasant one. Does show here there could have been something getting in the way, so, you know, could be work, could be travel, could be all kinds of things, but again, action definitely coming in. So this person is bold. They're coming in, they know what they want, and they're going to have it. You are being seen as the jackpot, or they may be the jackpot to you, but that's what's happening. So if you're comfortable with something being kind of a no strings situation, then that's what's kind of showing with this energy, because it's very kind of volatile energy, which would mean that it can come and go as quickly as it arrived. It does show it's going to feel good. So you're going to feel harmonized and balanced with this person around. It could be a fire sign. I did say there was a lot of fire in it. So Leo, Saggy and Aries. It also shows this person's very dominant, so very kind of forward, seeing you as kind of the ideal figure or looks type thing as well. So this is all very kind of sexy and pleasant. Very nice connection there. Both of you kind of wanting the same thing, fulfillment and acknowledgement of how they feel about you. So whether it's a situationship or a relationship, this person's coming in and you're going to have a great time.